NG to vowel linking practice. I find that it's one of the hardest things for many of my students to do, linking NG at the end of the word to a vowel at the beginning of the next word. Let's get a lot of practice with that. First of all, you need to raise the back of your tongue to the top of your mouth, just like you would do for a G. In the top right drawing, we have a G, and you can see that the back of the tongue is all the way at the top of the mouth, and there is no room for air to come up and out the nose. But in the bottom left picture, there's a little gap in the airway for the air to come up and out the nose. So for the NG, start by putting the back of your tongue in the G position. Then you leave the tongue at the top of your mouth and don't release it like you would for a G. The air won't be able to escape out the mouth, so you let it go out the nose. You'll also need to press down on the top of your mouth to make your mouth smaller and your nasal cavity bigger. Going on vacation. Going on vacation. I'm focusing on go, and I'm focusing on the K in vacation. Everything between go and K is squeezed. Going on vacation. But I'm still making a very clear, low-pitched, quiet NG. Going on vacation. Going on vacation. We're hanging out. Hanging out. That's hard because there's two NGs. The first one is nging, linking NG to ING, nging. And the second one is linking the ING to out, ngout. Hanging out, hanging out, eating out. Again, I stress eat and I stress out, but I don't stress the ING. Eating out. I'm eating out. Gang up on him. Gang up. I stress both gang and up because it's an idiom or a phrasal verb. I do say ngup, and it'll be a little louder because they're stressed. Gang up. Gang up on them. Let's practice these dialogues. What are you planning on doing tomorrow? Nothing incredible. Probably hanging out with my cousin. Call me if you're thinking about going out and watching a movie. Okay, we'll probably be staying in, but we've been talking about going on a shopping spree for as long as I can remember. I haven't been shopping in so long. I'll definitely be joining if you invite me. What are you planning on doing tomorrow? What are you planning on doing tomorrow? There are 4 stresses. What are you planning on doing tomorrow? What are you planning on doing tomorrow? What are you planning on doing tomorrow? Planning on, ngon, ngon. Nothing incredible. Nothing incredible. So I need to say incredible. Incredible. Nothing incredible. Nothing incredible. Probably hanging out with my cousin. Hanging out with my cousin. Hanging out with my cousin. Probably hanging out with my cousin. Probably hanging out with my cousin. Call me if you're thinking about going out and watching a movie. Call me if you're thinking about, thinking about going out, ngout, going out, and watching watching a movie, watching a movie. Okay, we'll probably be staying in, ngin. I'm going to stress in because it's a phrasal verb. To stay in means not to go out. Okay, we'll probably be staying in. Okay, we'll probably be staying in. But we've been talking about going on a shopping spree for as long as I can remember. Talking about. Going on a shopping spree. Even between shopping and spree, I still want to make it connected, even though spree starts with a consonant and not a vowel. Shopping spree. I'm going to hold that NG all the way to spree. Shopping spree for as long as I can remember. I haven't been shopping in so long. Shopping in, nyin. Not shopping in, it's not nin, it's nyin. I haven't been shopping in so long. I haven't been shopping in so long. I'll definitely be joining if you invite me. Joining. You may need to make a little extra effort to smile to make sure you're saying joining and not joinin'. It doesn't sound so good to say, I'll definitely be joinin' if you invite me. That doesn't sound right. It's joining if you. And then you say joining if, and you end up saying if. Joining if you invite me. I'll definitely be joining if you invite me. I'll definitely be joining if you invite me. What are you planning on doing tomorrow? Nothing incredible. Probably hanging out with my cousin. Call me if you're thinking about going out and watching a movie. Okay, we'll probably be staying in, but we've been talking about going on a shopping spree for as long as I can remember. I haven't been shopping in so long. I'll definitely be joining if you invite me. For more examples and dialogue with NG linking, see the full version of this video in my online course, The Rhythm of English, on Udemy or Skillshare. Find the links in the description to this video.